Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm so excited to finally do this video for you guys. I'm doing another Thredup unboxing. This time, this is a men's box. I can't remember how much I paid and stuff, but we'll look at the little insert in just a second. I ordered this so long ago. It took forever to get here. It actually was not Thredup's fault. They mailed it out like within a few days of me ordering it, but it got stuck for a while here in Washington at like their Kent facility for, you know, FedEx. I don't know. Anyways, it finally showed up today. I almost forgot about it because it has been a minute, but I actually opened it already because I thought this was some returns, and then I saw this little invoice on top and I was like, oh yeah, my men's box finally got here. So anyway, we're gonna do this unboxing. So I got the, it's a bulk men's box. It was $50. I wanna say it was 10 pounds. It was either 10 or 15 pounds. It doesn't say on here. But it is one of their smaller boxes, you guys will see. Anyways, I paid $50 for this. I've been wanting to get some more Thredup boxes, but they've been sold out of everything when I go on there. I think my timing has just been off when I've been getting on because they do sell out quickly. So anyway, let's see what's in here. I'm really excited. This is only the second time I've ordered a men's box. My first one wasn't so good. So I've been kind of avoiding it, but I've seen other people get great stuff. So I'm hopeful. Okay, this is new with tags. Looks like a men's blazer. What are you? Oh, it's Nautica. Okay, not my favorite brand, but it is new with tags. So I don't know. I might try listing this. I'm not sure. It says it's a 44L. So it did come from Nordstrom Rack. It has the Nordstrom Rack sticker still on it, and it's just like a navy blazer. Feels pretty lightweight also. Okay, set that to the side. Okay, this is different. Is this men's? I don't know what this is. Another new with tags. Okay. This is INC. I don't think this is men's. Does this look like men's to you guys? I don't know. It's like a velour track jacket, I guess. Like bomber track jacket. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's like a magenta pink. I'm pretty sure this is women's. I'm not sure why this is in this box. But again, it is new with tags, and this is from Macy's. The price is ripped off of here. I almost feel like these came from the same person. They ripped the prices off. More new with tags. Oh my God, I just saw what's next. Don't peek ahead, Lisa. Woo. Okay, this is Vince Camuto and new with tags. I'm loving all the new with tag stuff. It's just a really nice button down. I might see if this is my fiance's size because Aaron needs some more work shirts. It says it's a 16. It's really nice actually. So if he doesn't want it, I will sell that. Oh, and this does have the price on this one. $89.50 was the original retail price. Okay, this is what I peeked ahead and saw on accident. It was just like sticking right up at me. This is All Saints, and it is a size small, just like a chambray button down, but it's kind of like a grayish black color. This is really nice. I'm gonna get that listed right away. That one is not new with tags, but it's All Saints, so I will take it. All right, oh, so far this box is like a million times better than my last one already. I don't know what this is. It just says Machine. Is that the brand? I'm not sure. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. Okay, so it's like a printed on label, and it just says Machine, and then it has like some information of like the content, fabric content and all that. So I don't know if Machine is the brand. I'll have to look it up. I've never heard of that. This just feels like super early 2000s to me. It has like the snap pearl buttons all the way down. And then this print, I think, is supposed to look like that. It looks like it's been like faded away a little bit, but I think that's how it's supposed to look. I'm not sure really, actually. I don't know. I'll look that up. I don't even know if it's worth my time because I don't know that brand. Okay, next we have an Adidas track jacket. Size small. That's really cute. That should do well. Has the logo on the side there. I mean, it's just like a basic piece, and this does look like it's a men's small, so should be able to sell that. All right. Next we have J. Crew size large, and it is a kind of like a Henley almost. Oh no, it has one of those like shawl necks kind of. And it's just like a gray sweatshirt. It has the little kangaroo pocket in the front. This is really nice. Okay, this is a good box. I'm glad I gave the men's box a second shot. We've got a little roll of ties here. Let's see if there's anything decent. Okay, so Van Heusen, not a brand that I would resell. I don't know what I'll do with these ties, honestly. I'll see if my fiance wants them, if not. I don't know. Bugatti, I don't feel like that's a good brand, but it might be. I don't know. I don't sell a lot of men's, so I'll look at anything up that I'm not familiar with. And then Farrell Reed. I have not heard of this brand, but it does say it's made in Italy and 100% silk. So I'll look that up and see if it has any value. Alrighty. I see another good brand sitting here. So this is Ted Baker, and it is a size 3. I'm not sure what size that equates to, so I'll have to look it up. A really cute little pullover crew neck sweater. It's kind of a lighter weight material. It feels nice though. I wonder if this is like a merino wool. Let me check. What are you? Now I'm curious. 60% wool, not merino, but still 60% wool, and that's a good brand. I will definitely be selling that. Next, we have a pair of slacks, and these are another J. Crew item. They say they are a waist 38, and oh, they're shorts. They're just a little pair of shorts, chino, like navy blue. All right, and then another new tags item. This kind of looks like a cheaper, you know, kind of almost looks like Costco maybe, or JCPenney, something like that. It has, I think this is Costco. Anyway, it's from the brand Savane. I don't know how to say that. And they're size 38. They're just like a, oh, they're even pleated in the front. Pleated front, men's like work trouser. I have no idea if those have value. I'll have to look that up. They don't feel nice, so I don't think that they're anything special. Okay, the last thing that we got was a pair of shoes. What are you? Oh, they're Adidas. Okay. They're missing the insoles, so that's why I didn't know what it was. So the insole is missing. That's kind of a bummer. I don't know if I can still sell them, but I'll try because it looks like they're in fairly good condition otherwise. Like they've been worn, but besides the insoles missing, they look like they're pretty good. It says brand with the 3 stripes. I was like this whole tag. And yeah, let me see what size these are. These are US size 10.5. So just like a navy blue, kind of that like knit material sneakers. I don't sell a lot of sneakers, but I'll have my VA do the draft for me on those. So, all right, that's everything. I want to count up real quick and see how many items we got. So okay, so there were 11 items plus 3 ties. So technically there were 14 items altogether, but I don't know if you count each of these individually or not. What is that math? I can't math in my head, and I'm using my phone to film. So like $5 a piece is more than $5 a piece. No, a little less than $5 a piece. That's not bad. Most of this I probably would not have bought at that price point, but just the more the nicer pieces like that Ted Baker and the All Saints, and then even the sneakers probably will make up for some of the items that aren't going to sell for as much. So overall, I definitely will make a profit on this box. And it was fun. It was a fun new box to try. 'Cause like I said, this is only my second men's box. My first men's box, you can watch the video. It's on my channel somewhere. It was a lot of like Walmart and Target brands, and everything was very used. I didn't have any new tags, and like half this box was new tags. So anyway, I'm very pleased with this box, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. I'll be getting busy on getting this stuff listed as soon as possible. But that's it for me. And oh, I did want to let you guys know one more thing before I go. This might be my last video before I get married, and we're going on a honeymoon to Hawaii. So I'm going to be gone for a week after that. And things are going to get a little hectic. So this might be the last time I have time to film because we're getting married next week. So yeah, you guys might not see me for a little bit. That's why I'm just busy. But anyways, I'll see you guys when I get back, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.